Hello, and this is going to be me repainting my crusty, dusty, musty toenails, as you can see here. Warning, jump scare. Anyway, let's get these bad boys ready for summer. Excuse a tripod leg, and so what I'm going to do is use my nail Dremel to get all this gel off my toenails. Drill, baby, drill! Ta-da! Just kidding. And here are some of the items you will need to begin. I'm trying to set up here, but as we know, you always buff or file the top layers of your nails in order to have that rough surface for the gel polish to adhere to. So now I'm grabbing here the base coat, Model 1's base coat. And I'm going to apply it to my toenails. Trying to focus here. I will only be showing my left foot as part of the tutorial, but both will be completed and shown to you at the end. The reason for this is because the steps are exactly the same and they're simply on the other foot. And then I'm going to cure that base coat for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to start with the nail color polish that I chose, which is going to be this light pink. And I'm going to do a French nail look on my toes to match my hands. So I'm not very picky with my toenails. I just want them to look nice from afar, basically. But here I am doing the French on the top of each nail, and then I'm going to clean it up with the nail remover. And then once I'm satisfied with the look, then I will cure the nails. Because my toenails are so small, I basically just painted the last three, and then I will just clean them up to look as if I've done the French look on those nails. And yes, I know my pinky toe is non-existent. Let's not talk about it. Here I go, cleaning everything up, starting with the big toe. Too easy. Just clean it up, be as straight as you can.
I want to get rid of my stuff, but all my stuff is really, really good, and I just can't get rid of it.
It's not, and you have to.
Everything you own is trash.
You're basically a hoarder.
Everything is me. Everything is connected to something else.
You need to be hard on yourself, okay? Take this box, fill it up.
You think I can do it?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm gonna get hard and fix myself.
What?
That's
No.
not, no. That's no.
Oh, here we go. The Regis Philbin crepe paint. Come on, coach, you can't give this away. Remember February 2014?
And then cure your finished look for 30 to 60 seconds. Here's the end result, and now for some top coat. Just put a good amount of your top coat on all of your nails, and then go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And here they are, much prettier than they were in the beginning. You have to kind of admit. Okay, they're still a little funky looking, and yes, I hit my left toe, but they're much cuter than they were. I hope. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I'm going to show pictures at the end of the before and the after.